Now, there are so many situations you will come across in your life when nobody is going to believe in you, where nobody is literally going to believe in you, trust in you. And sometimes it's not the other, your colleague or maybe your friend, they don't believe you. It's our own family member who will not believe in you, the kind of a work you are doing, or what is that you want to really achieve in life as a dream. Because I completely agree and I understand this, because I had this doubt in my own self. And it's not that I used to have a self doubt earlier, maybe like 3 years back or 4 5 years back, when I started my self development journey, when I started transforming and working on my personality. Is that every now and then you will get that self doubt, and neither, like, once you become successful, still you are going to get that particular self doubt. Because I still remember, like, when I was dropped out from the college, and I literally got a big zero in maths, and I have to leave college because I was never be able to cope up with the other student, because I see that I myself as a dump, and I was never focused on studies, and because of which I have to get out of the college. And it was a doubt which created in my life, that what am I going to do in my life, because I thought that if I really want to become successful, or if I want to become really rich, then I need to at least have a graduation. That was the self doubt which was within me. But frankly speaking, after that particular, I started literally working on myself, and today I'm very much proud that to get out of that doubt, that despite of me getting big zero in maths and being a college dropout, today I can proudly say that a person who don't know, who never read a book when it comes to college or school, today he is an author. And, like, I'm an author of a book called A Quit Mediocrity. So there will be a doubt, you will also get these kind of a doubt. What you need to do is, you just need to stand out. You just need to, you don't have to think how the society think, how they ask you to think. You have to do what you really want to do. Like, ask yourself, go for that gut feelings what you have, like, because that is what is going to actually help you. Because for me, I told myself that, hey, like, there are so many people who have never studied or never read a book. They are also successful. How can I become successful, like, despite of me not completing my graduation or my studies? And that's how the doubt started fading in. I started working on, and from college dropout to becoming an author, that is the journey which I can literally see myself. And today I'm very much proud of myself. And similarly, this is not the only one situation. There were so many situations. Like, also, though I studied in an English medium school, I never spoke a word of English. Like, I was very much pathetic, I would say. I was very poor at communication skill. If somebody is coming with a dashing personality, and if you ask me, go ahead and speak to him, I will never be able to speak with them. I will literally get nervous. My body will start shivering it. But that was a doubt which was there in me. But soon that started fading away, because I believed in myself that, hey, today I am nervous, today I'm not able to speak with others, today I am nowhere, but that doesn't mean in future I will be nowhere. So you need to believe in yourself. When you will start believing in yourself that you have all the ability the universe and God has already given in you, it's just you need to believe in yourself. You just need to trust the creation of the God which has already created a beautiful peace within you. When you will start seeing that creativity, when you will start believing in yourself, there will be no doubt. Because by not speaking a word of English right now, very much confident, I'm able to talk to you and communicate with you in English. That itself gives me that, like, at one point of a time I was having a very much doubt on myself, and today I'm very much confident. And not only this, today I can proudly say that I already coached 300 plus mentees, and in which 30 plus of my mentees are already a TEDx speaker who got an opportunity to share their message in the world-class platform called as a TEDx. So how did this happen? Because I believed in myself. When nobody believes in you, neither your parents, neither your husband, neither your wife, neither your son, neither your sister, neither your brother, neither your relatives, neither your neighbor, nobody is believing in you, you need to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, I believe in you. I literally trust in you. I literally believe in you that you will be able to do it. And once you start believing in yourself, you can overcome any kind of an obstacle. There will be no obstacle you will not be able to overcome the day when you will start believing in yourself. But yes, definitely there will be a certain time or period of a time when you will have that self-doubt. Yes, let it sink in, let the time heal, let the time, because and how you can bounce back, at the same time you need to surround yourself with like-minded people, because there are sometimes, because this journey is very much lonely, guys. Like the journey where I am, this is a very lonely journey, and for you also to going towards success and getting rich, the journey is very much lonely. But yes, it is worth it, it is achievable when you are surrounding yourself with all the like-minded people. Because whenever you have some kind of doubts in your life, when you're surrounding with the like-minded people, they are the one who are already more than successful than you. Definitely you will clear all the doubts, because you will be more inspired that, hey, no, that doubt whatever I have, the kind of a situation I am going through, but there are so many people out there in my group that they are all already able to achieve, and they are going to guide me, help me, pull me up to, like, to work towards my dream. So that's why it is also very much important to overcome your self-doubt. First is you need to believe in yourself, and the second thing is surround yourself with the like-minded people. And these are the two things which literally help me always to overcome my obstacles and always overcome my self-doubt whenever I am in doubt. And till today, like sometimes I feel I have a sometimes I go through a lot of lack of belief in myself. But yes, it might last for some I would say some hours, that's it. I then literally bounce it back to see, how I can get rid of this by by speaking to some of my mastermind people, or just seeing myself that why did I started this, all these things. When I see myself that what was the actual reason it all got started, then I just don't doubt myself, I just go ahead. So I see, I hope this video was useful for you, to help you to get that particular belief. Because if nobody will believe in this journey, if nobody is believing in you, trust in me, I believe in you. I literally believe in you that you will be able to overcome whatever you want to achieve in your life, and you will be able to achieve your dream life. Okay, so till that time, take care. I'll see you in the next video, and goodbye. Take care. I believe in you. And do not forget that you are a $1 million brand. You are a $1 million brand. Take care. Goodbye.